going to market. I like to go to the farmer's market. I like to go to the farmer's market. Everything around us is so beautiful and colorful. The sky is clear and funny. The weather is so lovely. I can see a lot of veggies: zucchini, spinach, broccoli, potatoes, beans, carrots and beets. These veggies are good and healthy. Fruits, apples, grapes, banana, melons, strawberries, cherries, peaches and mangoes. These fruits are fresh and delicious. I like to buy some food for my mommy and daddy. Mommy likes beans and berries.
Okay, 1 kg, 2 kg or grams, 500 grams, 200 grams, 100 grams. Okay, you can buy it in kg or grams. So, if I want to buy this cucumber, I will first take a basket. Okay, take a basket. This is weighing machine. This is a weighing machine. You have numbers in the display, green color. Okay, if I put
Riti,
3 cucumber and I keep this on this, you can see here numbers 516 means what? These are 500 grams, half kg cucumber. 500 grams means half kg cucumber. Okay, and then you can take it home. Give me money now. Give me money now. If you don't have cash, if you don't have money, then what you can do? See this. This is called QR scanner. What is this? Scanner. QR scanner. So if sometimes your mama forgets to bring money, so what she can do? Take out the mobile, scan this code, and they will ask for the money. How much money to be given to the shopkeeper? So they will say the type the amount and they can give the money. Okay, what is it? Florets. Okay, many of the florets are there, which is polyplant. These all are florets. 1 floret, 2 floret, 3 floret. All these florets are together form one polyplant. Okay, you get the rich source of minerals, vitamins. Okay, you get minerals and vitamins from this drumstick soup. Most of the time, drumstick soup is given for the ill patients because it covers the weakness. If your body is color for us. Where can you see the coconut? In the temple also we offer the coconut to worship the god. Yes, sir. So that is also used as an offering for God. What is this? This is coriander. This is brinjal and this is also brinjal. Brinjal has one another name. What is that? It's an eggplant. Brinjal also named as eggplant. Big vegetable. Okay. So whenever you want to cook this vegetable, you have to pull out the leaves of this fenugreek, and then these leaves you have to cook it with the garlic. You have to give the tadka of the garlic to cook this vegetable. You have tomato is good for